So, ready? Are you ready? Ready? Are you ready? I think so, because calm isn't stopping. It's preparing you for your next level. You are going to make it. You are going to be fabulous. And this is just the time for you to just, do a little check. I'm fab. And then you can put your fabulous out in the world. So looking forward to having you join me March 14th. Connect with me, Tammy at tammyservices.com. If you have any other questions, I'm here. I'm always looking forward to connecting, answering, and just talking. So see you soon. I look forward to having you. Bye.